Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Tiny Vlog Charter, and this time we are in Guatemala. I am here with actually other YouTubers, which you'll see and I'll introduce in the rest of the video. This is Sia from Hopscotch Vlog, and our trip, we made it to the Plaza España. Yay! Jump! One, two, three, jump!
Bienvenidos a la Antigua. Estamos en la calle del Arco, uno de los emblemáticos de la Antigua Guatemala, ¿verdad? Y bienvenidos ustedes.
Gracias.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back.
So today we were at the market that you guys just saw, and this guy, his 7-year-old daughter makes macrame little bracelets, and when we told him what we're doing here, he gave us this bracelets, and it was really cool because the bracelets are like, you know, him being thankful, and he was like, because you're doing this for my country, and I really appreciate that. Let's pause for a second. As I'm editing this, I realized I never actually explained what this trip is all about. Let me tell you. These two companies, Hopscotch the Globe, which are YouTubers Kristen and Sia, have partnered up with Vivid Roots, which is a company that organizes trips like this one. 13 of Hopscotch the Globe followers have signed up for this trip, and the money that we paid for the trip actually goes towards some communities in Guatemala. We are working in a school, rebuilding a roof, and a healthcare center, which we're also helping rebuild. 3 of the days of the trip that are doing the construction and spending time with kids and just enjoying time with the community. The rest of the time we'll be exploring Guatemala and having fun. Now let's get back to the video. This little bracelet that might be insignificant for anybody else, it might be the most meaningful thing I get on this trip, because it's, I don't know, I cannot wait to go and experience that out there. Came in the room and I'm about to like get on my bed. There's like a stray cat in my bed. This is hilarious. Like just out of nowhere, you just come and like chill in my bed. Man. We're about to have lunch at La Fonda de la Calle Real, and I want you guys to meet half of my friends that I've met here in Guatemala trip.
Hi, Jason from Worldwide Wakelys.
I'm Brittany, also from Worldwide Wakelys. Angela, Lost Girl Diaries, but there's nothing here.
Sarah.
Sorry?
Yeah, same thing.
Saying the name. Sarah.
And
Romina.
from
Red Romina.
Yes. So I had a little mix up with the footage. Bear with me, guys. I'm still learning how to do all this. But actually, after lunch, we went to the cooking class, which happened on the first video of the Guatemala series. So if you haven't seen it, go watch it after this. And then we can continue on to day 2 of Guatemala trip. Let's go. Welcome to day 2 of our Guatemala trip. It is about 5:40 a.m. and we're outside trying to take pictures with the arch, so that way there's like nobody behind our pictures and stuff. So let's get the day started. Look at this. You can see this is a volcano, guys, but during the day you can't see it because of the clouds. It's amazing. Wow. So we're all packed up in the vans and we're heading out to our next destination, leaving Antigua today. I think we're gonna go to some towns and then do a 6-hour drive to the place that we're gonna do our volunteer work. Coffee farm, and I don't know, we'll see how this goes. but it looks very pretty. This place looks very pretty. Here's Sia getting his shots.
Always getting the shots.
Oh yeah.
45, 50 minutes. The whole tour around.
Yeah.
Ready for it?
Yeah.
Yes.
So the life of the flower is very short. Stays open between 3 to 5 days.
The whole process takes 3 to 5 years, right? Yes, 3 to 5 years from the moment is
For the first harvest, yeah.
planted to the moment is harvested and they can start creating the coffee. That's a long time. And this is what they look for whenever they're going to harvest, right?
It's a deep red color. They look like cranberries. These are already the coffee beans, which are picked by hand by seasonal workers from the surrounding towns.
We just finished touring the area where they're growing the plants. It's called the nursery, and we saw some really cool like beans in the process, and you know we got explained everything else.
Oh my goodness, are you like,
Wow.
that's just huge.
Oh, it's gonna go inside your shirt.
Oh, I heard it. Did you guys hear it when it hit the ground? I bet that hurt.
Like rico.
We just learned that after those red beans that you guys just saw get harvested, they get brought here in sacks, and then after that is done, they put them in water, separate them. It's such a long process. Like, it makes me want to have coffee, you know, because you guys know I don't drink coffee, so I did not know that getting coffee like took this much work. It's amazing.
At this stage, it's called parching.
Does it smell like anything?
No, at this stage, no. It's a silky, it's a thin layer.
parchment layer.
This is how we do export raw coffee seeds. The remaining 20%, that's the amount of coffee we do roast for local consumption.
Yeah, this is the smell I know of coffee. Yep. That's it. So you're doing the R. Dalton coffee. That's brand.
That's
right.
our brand.
So we just learned that they sell the coffee in these bags up here, and they sell it for $165 actually. And out of 1 pound of the beans of coffee, you can get about 38 cups of coffee. Yes. They sell it for $165, and when you do the math and you sell 12 cups of coffee for $3, it's $12,000 to $15,000 that they can get out of just this bag of beans of coffee. It's impressive.
I'm glad you remembered all that. That was
Yeah.
I wouldn't have been able to say that myself.
So we all did the same thing. We're so used to like the automatic things. You actually have to push that. But we all put our hands like waiting for water there. It's hilarious.
They're so spoiled.
Yeah, I know, we're spoiled.
Cheers, everyone.
Okay, so I'm actually very nervous because you guys know I don't drink tea, I don't drink coffee, I don't drink anything hot. Like, my coffee is chocolate milk. That's my coffee. So yeah, like, I'm actually nervous for this. We'll see. It smells good. It's very bitter. Really? Yeah.
Let it sit in your mouth
Yeah.
for a while. And you'll taste it.
I mean, I don't have anything to compare it to, so, but it's bitter. It's very bitter, yeah. Okay, so we made it to this town called San Antonio. I don't know if you remember or saw the video. The video from day one shows you a huge market that is in Antigua. And that market, people from there actually come to this town and they buy all their stuff and the supplies to take it to Antigua and sell it to all the tourists, of course. So this is actually where all that stuff gets made. We're gonna see the people that actually make, like, handmade all those textiles and stuff. It's pretty cool. Let's check it out. ¿Cuánto tiempo lleva haciendo esto?
15 días.
¿Y lleva haciendo esto desde pequeña?
Sí, de 8 años nos enseñan
A los 8 años.
Hacemos el hilo, desatamos el hilo. Esos son nosotros aquí. Sí. Es como ella.
Voy a bajar un poquito para que pueda. Oye. Oh my god. Ahí está. Looks good. It doesn't feel like, you would think that it's like really hot, but it's actually kind of nice, you know? It's like,
Ahora enseñando el trabajo de Tú enseñas el trabajo.
she wants me to show you guys the work that they do here. So this is like a thing in Guatemala. There's stray dogs everywhere, literally everywhere. And this one's very friendly. Look, there's another one. I told you they're everywhere. Look. Told you guys, a new one showed up now.
His name's Patch.
What's his name?
Patch.
Patch.
Yep.
You're naming just every dog in Guatemala. Look at this.
Bruce. Bruce, come here. Bruce.
Bruce, hey.
Bruce, come here.
So photogenic. Look at that. Wow. We just finished a 6-hour road trip to Chiquimula, which is where for the next couple of days we'll be doing our volunteer work. And we made it to our hotel during those days. So we're just about to go jump in the pool. Oh yeah, and ever since I got here they've been playing reggaeton, so I'm like on my zone right now. It's amazing. Yes! I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Subscribe if I earn your subscription, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Ciao!